Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is May 23rd, 2022, and Bitcoin is looking boring. Most of the market is looking boring, quite frankly. And the question most investors, most speculators are asking themselves today is, when the hell is Bitcoin going to finally move? Either dump or pump, do something, right? It's just been raging and it is frustrating, right? This is the question I'm going to seek to answer in this video. If that interests you, then watch until the very end. Also, I'm going to tell you that you shouldn't necessarily just be looking at Bitcoin right now. As I've been saying, we are indeed at this moment in time in altcoin season. What do I mean by altcoin season? Very quickly, for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome, by the way. Thank you for subscribing. This is when Bitcoin's dominance plummets. What is Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance is essentially the measure of proportion of Bitcoin's percentage of total market cap vis-a-vis the entire cryptocurrency market, right? So if Bitcoin is right now around 45%, that means 45% of all of the money in cryptocurrency can be ascribed to Bitcoin, okay? The lower it goes, the more of an opportunity your favorite altcoin has to experience gains, even when Bitcoin is ranging. So Bitcoin can just be like hovering, not really doing much of anything. And if Bitcoin dominance is sufficiently low and is decreasing, that means that your favorite altcoin can rocket up, can front run certain trends, while Bitcoin is kind of hanging back and not yet moving. So this is kind of what we're experiencing right now. This is why, although we're looking at Bitcoin right now, it's better to look at the market as a whole, look at the total cryptocurrency market cap and your favorite altcoin, just specifically knowing that certain things can happen before Bitcoin does them. And when the market dominance is high, you most often need to wait for Bitcoin to make the move. Then the money flows into your favorite altcoin. So just a word to the wise. Here we are on the market cap dominance chart on the daily time frame. Let me get rid of the volume really quickly and the stochastic RSI, and you can see, as we said, Bitcoin dominance is rejecting from this trend line right here. Okay, you had one touch, two touch, three touches, rejection. Expect it to come down even further. As it comes down, it basically is reflecting the idea that altcoins are going to be moving where Bitcoin doesn't move as much as they do. Okay, so this is the definition of altcoin season. Now, going into Bitcoin specifically, let's stay on the daily and let's try and answer the question, when will Bitcoin move? Okay, so we've been in this consolidation for quite some time. We drew a descending triangle right here, okay, and we've gone up and down and up and down, right? We've gone up once, down once, up once, down once, up once, right? That's typically 1, 2, 3 tests to the top resistance when you break out, okay? And these triangles typically break out around the last third of the length of the triangle, okay? So we're already in the region where we can expect a breakout. Could we reject back down to the bottom of the triangle and come back up? Absolutely. But are we expecting a breakout? Yes, because we've already gotten that, right? You can see that the resistance has been broken quite significantly. And if we go on smaller time frames, now let's go on the hourly time frame, because people really want to know when, okay? And obviously, it's very difficult to say exactly when, but I'm going to tell you here and now why it's very likely that you can expect a move today. Okay, you can expect a move today for 3 reasons. The first being that we've breached the resistance, okay? We hadn't breached the resistance until yesterday. Yesterday was the first time we breached this resistance, and the resistance that I'm referring to obviously is this descending diagonal resistance of this triangle, okay? So we breached it yesterday on the 22nd. We popped up and out, and now we're retesting it, okay? Every major resistance needs to be broken and then retested. Classical technical analysis, break and retest. After the retest, you can expect the pump or the actual move, right? And so this is where we're at. We've retested it, and a great sign is if you zoom in, you'll see that on this hourly time frame, you have this W kind of bounce forming. So you retested it here, and you have a strong hammer candle, which is signifying strong buying pressure on our resistance, which is perfect. This is what you want to see. You want to see your resistance showing buying pressure. So once you bounce off of that resistance, for continuation to the upside, you want to see hammer candles like this showing strong buying pressure. And then you have a retest of that, which is essentially going to give you your W reversal. I'm sorry that my pen's a bit shaky right here. But you see the W reversal. This is what we can anticipate. This is why I'm saying today is as good a day as any. Now, in reference to when is a good question. We all want to know, but the best investors, they don't concern themselves too much with the when question because they identify crucial support and resistance, okay? Whatever style you espouse, be it Wyckoff, Elliott wave, Ichimoku, whatever, you want to be able to identify crucial support and resistance, buy crucial support, sell crucial resistance. This descending diagonal resistance is now turning into crucial support because it was flipped, right? We went all the way since the 20th. We matriculated up, we broke the resistance, now we flipped it into support. Now we should pump up. So that's why I'm saying today's as good a day as any in Bitcoin for Bitcoin to give you its pump. Okay, and now what are our targets? Now let's flip back to the daily time frame. By the way, let me just pause and say, if you guys are getting value from this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe. Very much appreciate it. I'm not making money off of any of these videos. I don't intend to, but it's encouraging, right? It encourages me to share my ideas. I would do this if nobody was watching because it's an extension of my trading journal. I like to get ideas out, and when I verbalize them, when I write them down, when I record them, sometimes certain things come out that I didn't know even in my head that I was thinking. Do you see? So it's great. I enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. If you're getting value, give me the feedback, please. All right. Flipping to the daily time frame, I have this 21 EMA. I've mentioned this before. This is a crucial indicator, right? It's a Fibonacci number. 21 is a Fibonacci number. This is why I use the 21. And the exponential moving averages, they're less laggy than the simple moving averages, okay? So this is why I like to use exponential moving averages. And a lot of people use the 21 EMA. I'm not special in that regard. Usually when you're below it on a crucial time frame, you can consider yourself bearish on that time frame. When you're above it, you can consider yourself bullish. And when you're below it, it's significant resistance. Right here and now on the daily time frame, this 21 EMA is sitting at around 31.9, okay? So let's just say 32. I anticipate 32K be significant resistance, okay? And I'm seeing just like doing my candlestick analysis that, right, I do have a level here, right? In the past, this was crucial resistance. It was crucial resistance. Let's see. Yeah, crucial resistance in the past. I anticipate that it will be crucial resistance once we start moving up. So I anticipate that be the next level. And I'm going to show you exactly another asset, an altcoin, that has done this exact thing. It's been bouncing off of its 21 EMA. Actually, I'm going to show you multiples because many different assets are bouncing off their 21 EMA. And as I said, because Bitcoin dominance is down, if you want to see what's going to happen, it's more it's useful to just look at some altcoins that are performing well, right? In your watch list, you can arrange by percent change. and see which ones have moved the most, okay? And just an example, sushi swap right here, 21 EMA on the daily. You can see that sushi swap has hit its 21 EMA, found resistance, is consolidating, and anticipate a breach of it. Okay, it's very important that this 21 EMA be breached. Why? Because as some people may postulate or believe that this is a small respite. This is kind of like a corrective move in a larger declination, in a larger sort of continuation of this downtrend, right? That theory goes by the wayside once you break crucial resistance, and the 21 EMA on the daily time frame is crucial resistance. So going down the watch list, it's very important that these assets continue to breach the 21 EMA right here, right? And it's clear that it's been breached and we're consolidating right under it. That means you can anticipate continuation on that move, okay? That would be necessary for us to say that this is a major reversal. And that's the thesis, right? That this isn't just a positive move to the upside, but no, this is a macro reversal where, the price has reached crucial support, historical support, right? We've talked about this 300 to 400 days of crucial support that hadn't been touched in 3 to 400 days. And you can anticipate a range test, right? Testing the top of these ranges once again with this move up. Okay, so that's why it's not just any old move to the upside. This is the bottom, the macro bottom of a larger move. Ethereum Classic. Say what you want about it. I'm not a huge fan, but just looking at the price action, if you zoom in, you can see that the 21 EMA has not just been tested, but been breached, okay? And there's consolidation right below it. So this will tell you exactly what you can anticipate Bitcoin to do. Again, Bitcoin dominance is down. Bitcoin is not going to lead the market. Altcoins will lead to the market. You just have to know where to look. And this is exactly what you can anticipate in Bitcoin for the $32,000 level to be tested, rejected, consolidated under, and then continued on, okay? And so once again, if you look at Ethereum Classic, you can see that we're at historical support, right? The support levels right here. I'm not on log, right? But if you want to be more accurate, we'll flip to log, obviously, because you see that we're already in the negative on this chart view. And if you really want to be accurate with, the different levels and the prices, you want to go on log for this kind of analysis, okay? I'm not on log because I just want to demonstrate graphically the level of support that we're at, okay? And this is a base level of support. And so we've reached it and we're looking to move back up and test the tops of the range. All right, so that's pretty much it. Again, I do believe that a move is coming very soon in Bitcoin, but you're already, as I just demonstrated with Ethereum Classic, you can see that with AVA, you can see that with Sushi. We're already getting these moves, testing crucial resistance in some of the altcoins. When is your favorite altcoin going to move? I don't know, okay? But it's on its way, okay? And so the best investors, like I said earlier, are not so much concerned with when, but what, okay? And the what you want to concern yourself with is, are you buying crucial support, all right? And if you've bought crucial support, is it fundamentally sound, right? If your project is fundamentally sound and you brought crucial support, there's nothing for you to do but wait, right? You've minimized your risk by buying crucial support. Even if you do fall from there, there's not that much further to fall. There's a lot higher to go. You've done it right. All you got to do is, just kind of walk away, right? Buy in May and walk away. And I still do believe, given my analysis, that May will be green. Okay, yes, we have a lot of work to do because thus far on the month, we've been quite red, okay, for a lot of these different assets. But that would mean a breach of 40K. It's possible. I don't know. It's possible. Okay, I don't know if we're definitely going to do it, but it's possible. That may still end up being green, because once we start running, it's not going to take too long for us to make significant strides. That's it for me for today. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. Once again, if you found value in these analyses, please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate the support. And take care, my friends. Make good decisions, because these decisions that you make in these days where we're hovering at the bottoms can be life-changing decisions if you do manage to execute these trades and see them through. All right? Make good decisions. Have a great day. Hope you're well. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.